You're describing that you're an intuitive leader. And my question with that is like, I can relate to that. And I remember leading organizations where I just know what we're supposed to do, but I would expect everyone else to know what to do. It was like,
Right.
and I realized not everyone's wired that way. How is that the way you're wired? And obviously, your team's not wired exactly like you. What have you, as far as filling in the gaps for your weaknesses, but also
Mhm.
just empowering people to even excel beyond where you would in a particular area? What's that look like for you?
Yeah, really our senior team, we've got some amazing people on our senior team that really care for people. Often it's referred to as like head count, right? And I heard a term recently, it's like it's heart count. And it really
Mm,
like embodied what I think we value for our culture, which is the human lives, the souls that were there when we are facing extinction and having to lay off, basically the entire company. What's going through our minds is like the people who are newly pregnant, the people who left bigger jobs to come to us, the people who have surrendered a lot of other opportunities to work for us. And so we have, I think, built into our senior leadership a reverence and a value for the humanity of people, their hearts, their families, and looks to them first as humans before it looks to them for what they can perform and give to us.